Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we're learning how to play the left-hand part of Data Data. Let's get started by checking out the score. Let's check out the bass staff part, which our left hand is going to be tackling today. Take a look and tell me what you notice about the left-hand part. You probably noticed that we have this pattern going. We could call that an ostinato. Remember, an ostinato is just any short repeating pattern in music. We've got the same half note chord repeating down, then up, then down, then up, 2 beats on each half note chord. So let's figure out what notes we have here. Can you tell me the letter name for this top note of the chord? If you said bass C, you're correct. What's the letter name for this bottom note? If you said F, you're correct. It's just a step below this ground G line, so you know that's F. And what interval does that form? If you said a fifth, you're correct. So you have F and C, which remember, since we're in the key of F, that's Do and So. And now, let's come over here. What 2 notes do you see here? Can you tell me their letter names? What's this bottom note? You said F, you're correct. And what about the top note? It's middle C. Aha! The same chord, but 1 octave higher. We have 1, 2, and then the left hand has to come way up an entire octave. Our left hand is going down an octave, up an octave. 2 beats on each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2. Does that pattern ever change? It's important to check every chord. Aha, what happens here? It's a whole note, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time we hold it 4 beats, playing pianissimo, and then we're done. Let's try it out on the piano. All right, so if this is my middle C, then that would place the first chord of the left hand down here. We have 2 beats, 1, 2, then the left hand shifts up an octave to where middle C is. 1, 2. Let's practice this together. So 2 beats down here, 2 beats up here. Try it with me. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Back down. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Stop. Good. Now, I'd like you to remember as you play chords to keep your wrist really relaxed. So you play the chord and then you release from the wrist. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Press pause and try that for a few rounds until you feel totally comfortable, then press play to go on. Great, now let's try this. I'll play the right hand and left hand. You just worry about the left hand and count quietly out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 4 beats per measure, and remember we're going to end on a pianissimo chord. So be ready to hold this last note 4 beats. Here we go. From the beginning, position your left hand and count 4 beats. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And on the low chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, now we're ready to try it hands together. To do this, let's review one hand at a time, then we'll try it together. So, place both hands in position, and first let's do right hand once. Can you play the first phrase with me? Ready, go. Good, now let's try the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, so together we have Now press pause and try that on your own until you feel comfortable, then press play to go on. Great. Now let's look at the next phrase. Let's start with the right hand. Finger 4 is on C, and we have now you try. Good, and the left hand, of course, is doing the same thing. So together we get this. Now press pause and try that until you feel comfortable, then press play to go on. Now, I want to mention, in order to try this hands together, you need to feel very comfortable with the right hand part. So if you're finding your right hand is tripping you up, it might mean you need some more hands alone practice before you try this hands together. So let's review the right hand part for this last phrase. Remember, our finger 1 is on G, finger 2 is going to glide over, then we have do, re, mi, la, so, mi, re, mi, do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try it. Good. And our left hand is doing the same pattern as before, so together it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're done. Now you're going to try it hands together. Remember that now our finger 1 is on G in the right hand. So you're going to glide over finger 2 to F for the first note. Do, re, mi, la, so, mi. And I would recommend at first just trying this much. Go do, re, mi, la, so, mi, and then stop right there. Press pause just to practice this part. Do, re, mi, la, so, mi. Then press play when you're ready to go on. Good. Now you're ready to finish the song. So you just did. Then you'll end it with re, mi, do. Then one final chord in the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now press pause and practice that final phrase several times until you feel confident. Then press play when you're ready to hear and play along with the whole piece. Okay, if you'd like to just listen, that's great. Or if you're ready to play along, go for it. I'll count 4 beats and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice work, as usual, learning to play data, hands together. I really appreciate your hard work and focus. And I hope you're having a really wonderful time learning to play the piano. So, happy practicing, and see you at our next lesson. Hey Scuba, I got another one for you. Okay. Where do ninjas do their grocery shopping? I should know, but I give up. At the stealth food store. Oh.